Practical number 7, Axial Fan. The axial fan of the laboratory contains the following main elements. 3 static pressure taps connections, a pitot tube in the suction pipe and the axial fan itself. It also contains a pressure measurement tap on the impulse pipe. In order to be able to modify the pressure distribution along the discharge section, the fan is equipped a flow-regulating iris valve that allows us to increase or decrease the tap cross-section of the impulsion pipe using the iris. In the way that is now the arrangement of the pressure connections, it will be possible to perform the first part of the practical, the calibration of the axial fan. Using this connection, the static pressure and the inlet pipe can be measured, and by means of the pressure difference between static and total pressures, the dynamic pressure of the fan can be measured. In order to be able to carry out the second part of the practical, we would have to disconnect the connection of the pitot and to connect the static pressure tap of the impulse pipe. Let's do a demonstration of the second part of the practical, corresponding to the calculation of the characteristic curves of the axial fan. To achieve this goal, a rotational speed is set, and the position of the iris will be modified. As a result, the pressures along the fan will also be modified. For an approximate rotation speed of 6.600, we can observe that the static pressure of the inlet section is 24 Pascal, and the static pressure difference between the suction pipe and the discharge pipe is 141 Pascal. Modifying the position of the iris, we can observe that the reading of the pressures is substantially modified. This will make possible to obtain the characteristic curves of the axial fan.